students. Session 3. Our discussion is continue on direct and indirect. In earlier sessions, we learned the changes done while changing the speech into indirect form of narration. Among these changes, 4 important changes we discussed in detail. The first was the change in reporting verb. The second was applying a proper conjunction. The third changes in pronouns, and the fourth change we studied in last session was the change in tense and verbs. With that, we also learned in a few cases there is no change in verbs or tenses. Here in this session we are going to discuss the final change, which is the fifth change, which is done in time and place references. Let us start the session with an example. Calvin said to Karina, I am going to buy a beautiful dress for you tomorrow. It's the dialogue between Calvin and Karina. Calvin and Karina. This dialogue is narrated to some other. How will it be? Calvin told Karina that he was going to buy a beautiful dress for her the next day. The change we will focus on is tomorrow has changed into the next day. Is the word showing the time. Time place reference is what I told you. You can see here tomorrow has changed into the next day. So let us study a few more time place references which are changed while converting the speech. This changes into that, this into that, similarly in plural this into those, here into there, today into that day, similarly tonight into that night, yesterday, the previous day, the day before, tomorrow, the next day, the following day, the next week, the following week, the next year, the following year, now into then, now into then, ago, before, ago changes into before, hence, thence, come, sometime, go. In few cases when the speaker asks the listener to come at its place, it remains same. When ask him to in other places, when there is no first person in speaking place or listening place. We will discuss this example. Thus, so, just, then, last, the previous, last year, last day, last week, the previous day, previous year. That is the pattern we will follow while changing this time place references. Karen, I'll meet you tomorrow at noon. I'll meet you tomorrow at noon. Suggest the change tomorrow, the next day. Karen said that she would meet me or us the following day at noon. Tomorrow into the following day. Here there is no listener, so we generally takes it as the Karen ask us, the listener, as we, and that's why here it is mentioned me or us. It's not mandatory. Next example. Karim, my brother went to India last week. टाइम प्लेस रेफरेंस कौन सा वर्ड है? लास्ट वीक. मैंने हाईलाइट ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है. Karim said that his brother had gone to India the previous week or the week earlier. See, last week, the previous week, or the week earlier. Halima, I translated that document 2 weeks ago. Here, टाइम प्लेस रेफरेंसेस कौन सा है? हाईलाइट नहीं किया है, हम कर देते हैं 2 weeks ago. Light effect is there. Halima, 2 weeks ago. Halima said that she had translated the documents 2 weeks earlier or before. Earlier, ago, has changed into before or earlier, 2 weeks earlier or 2 weeks before. Karan, there will be a press conference the next Tuesday at Oxford University. The next Tuesday, the next changes into the following. Karan said that there would be a press conference the following Tuesday. Notice the change in time place reference, time reference here. The next Tuesday, the following Tuesday at Oxford University. So these are the changes we will apply while changing the dialogue into indirect form of narration. Janak. This is the best book on reporting that I have ever read. Janak said that was the best book. This into that. That was the best book on reporting that he had ever read. Yahya, we will meet you here in front of the recording studio. Here, Yahya said that they would meet us or me there, here into there. This is an important change done while changing the speech in front of the recording studio. Here into there, this into that. We will do these changes. Now friends, we are going to start this second phase after discussing all the changes. Now let us apply these changes in different type of sentences. We start with statement, simple sentences. So let us discuss in detail. Reporting verb, here you can see first change is done in reporting verb. So said to is changed with told. When the speaker want to announce something, then told is not used, announced is used. Something is stated, at that time stated. These are the reporting verb used different. There are ample of friends. These are a few examples before you. With this, on the base of situation, on the base of tone of the speaker, the reporting verb is used. See, announced, declared, stated, complained, remarked, replied, remarked, added. These are the reporting verbs used in simple sentences, in statement sentences. And conjunction with that, it is that. Here are a few examples. A ticket checker said to the passengers, I am here to check your tickets. First change will be in reporting verb, said to. What we will replace said to with? With asked, with announced, with stated, with replied. What will be the reporting verb? Let us go through the sentence he has said. Reported speech. What is reported speech? It is an interrogation, it is command, it is request, or it is simple declaration. What has been said by a ticket checker? I am here to check your ticket. These are the words said by ticket checker, and there is no exclamation in these words, no interrogation in this word, no command. Ticket checker informs that I am here to check your tickets. Simple sentence, and that's why told is used here, because what ticket checker said is a simple sentence. It's not an interrogation, it's not a commanding sentence, no exclamation. What is said? It is simple statement, and that's why told is used here. If you want to announce something, some declaration, here he simply make them know. Told and that. These are the reporting verb and conjunction. Second example, the professor, I have looked at the result of your work this year, and you will be pleased to know that I am recommending you for a scholarship next year. Professor says something, I have looked at the result of your work. Means professor doesn't show anything special. He doesn't complain, neither he asks anything, nor he exclaims, nor he requests, neither he command. It's a simple thing said by the professor, and that's why told is the reporting verb used by the narrator. What is the narration? The professor told me that. Told and conjunction that. What? I have looked at the result of your work. She had looked at the result of my work, because professor is telling to me that here, and added that. See, the second thing he is told, na, you will be pleased to know that. It is added to his main statement, and added that I would be pleased to know that she was recommending me for a scholarship following year. So friends, here important thing is that reporting verb should be used wisely while changing speech into indirect. Try to get the tone of the speaker. What does speaker want to convey? Is it a complaint? Is it a remark? Is it an announcement? So it's better use specific reporting verb while narrating the speech into indirect form. Direct, indirect. Its statement. First sentence. She said I am not coming to attend the wedding. She said I am not coming to attend the wedding. Let us convert, friends. Will you use she told? No. Why? Because here there is no listener. She said, see, there is no listener. So said remains the same only, reporting verb. If in place of she and other listener was mentioned here, then we would have changed said into told. But here said remains the same because no listener is mentioned over here. So she said that I am not coming to attend the wedding. I am means she was not going to attend the wedding. Was not going to. These are the changes. What changes we did? I am not coming. She was not going. See, the speaker, here listener, speaker is not first person, and that's why going. She was not going to attend the wedding. Second question. He said, I have been watching my favorite movie. I have been watching my favorite movie. So here he says something. In this there is no exclamation, no command, no interrogation. It's simple presentation, and that's why said remains the same only. He said that. When said turns into told, when there is speaker. He said Radha, he said Rama, he said Rinkesh. If listener is given, then only we will change said into told. He said that he had been watching. See, I have been watching, he had been watching. I into he. Who had been watching? He. His favorite movie. My favorite movie means his favorite movie. Change in pronouns. Third example देखते हैं बच्चों. I said I am looking for a job. I said that I remains the same because speaker is first person only. And what I told, first person follows the gender and number of the speaker. Here speaker is I itself. So it remains I only. I said that because here speaker itself is the narrator. Speaker herself or himself is the narrator. I said that I was looking for a job. I am looking, I was looking. She said to me. चलिए रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच को पहले चेंज करते हैं. तो यहाँ रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब हम डालेंगे, ऐड करेंगे. अब यहाँ पे स्पीकर भी है, लिसनर भी है, तो बिल्कुल सही टू टोल्ड हो जाएगा. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी एवरी टाइम यू यूज टोल्ड ओनली. देखो, अगर सेंटेंस ये जो बात कही गई है वो स्पेसिफिक मैसेज देती है, इन्फॉर्म करती है, डिक्लेरेशन है, और एनी अदर स्पेसिफिक रिमार्किंग सेइंग, देन वी विल यूज रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब suited to it. Here she told me. She told me. Told is used because it is simple saying, no specific things come out of this sentence. She told me. And what is the conjunction? That. Friends, every time you will keep in mind there should be 5 changes. Told first, that second. Now it's not a profitable business. It's a pronoun. And third person pronoun is not changed. So here it remains the same. See, it was not profitable business. And second, fourth change, is not, is changed into was not. It is not a profitable business, it was not a profitable business. He said he died of cholera. आइए डिस्कस करते हैं. ही सेड, यहाँ स्पीकर नहीं है तो सेड वैसे ही रहेगा. ही सेड दैट. देखिए कंजक्शन, बच्चे जल्दबाजी में कई बार कंजक्शन ऐड करना भूल जाते हैं. ही सेड दैट, यहाँ दो चेंजेस हो गए ऑलरेडी. अब ही डाइड, यहाँ तीसरे बंदे की बात हो रही है. मैंने कहा था थर्ड पर्सन में कोई चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. ही रिमेन्स द सेम ओनली, ही. नाउ दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट चेंज. डाइड सिंपल पास्ट टेंस है. डाइड, it changed into had died. Simple past into perfect past. He had died of cholera. He had died of cholera. Second, he said to me, I was not at home yesterday. He said to me, I was not at home yesterday. मैं घर पे नहीं था. तो देखो स्पीकर क्या बताना चाहता था, मैं घर पे नहीं था. मीन्स एक सिंपल सी बात कह रहा है, ना तो वो कुछ पूछ रहा है, वरना हम रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब स्पेसिफिक लेते हैं. आस्क, रिक्वेस्ट भी नहीं कर रहा है. यहाँ पे एक सिंपल सी बात कही गई है, तो यहाँ पे हम टोल्ड यूज़ करेंगे. दूसरा, यहाँ देखिए लिसनर दिया है, इसलिए सेड टू टोल्ड हो जाएगा, वरना सेड ही रहता. ही टोल्ड मी दैट, टू चेंजेस, टोल्ड एंड दैट. ही टोल्ड मी दैट आई वॉज नॉट एट होम. आई मीन्स हु? ही वॉज चेंज्ड इनटू had been. I was not, had not been. I had not been. Was changes into had been. At home yesterday. Time place reference, the previous day. He told me that he had not been at home the previous day. Next, third example. He said to me, I did my work well. He told me that he has done his work well. यहाँ पे had done होगा. It will be had done. He had done his work well. He told me that. That conjunction है. Told reporting verb है. Change. I did money. He did. यहाँ speaker he है. Money I changes into he. My work money जो speaker है related to his work. His work. और did my work. Did is changed into had done. Did is the simple past tense, second form of do. Simple past changes into perfect past. Had done. यहाँ पे had done होगा. Next example. He said to him, Sir, I did not make any mistake. Sir, I did not make any mistake. देखिए यहाँ पे बात वो सिंपल कर रहा है, पर यहाँ रिस्पेक्ट दिखा रहा है. तो हम यहाँ पे मूड, स्पीकर का मूड कैसा है, कैसे मूड के साथ बात कर रहा है, वो इफेक्ट देने के लिए देखिए. ही टोल्ड हिम रिस्पेक्टफुली. दिस इज द वर्ड विल बी एडेड टू शो द रिस्पेक्ट, एंड दिस वर्ड विल बी, सर विल बी रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन. ही टोल्ड हिम रिस्पेक्टफुली दैट. कंजक्शन तो ऐड करना ही करना है. आई डिड नॉट मेक एनी मिस्टेक मीन्स he did not make any mistake. अब did not है वो simple past है. had not made. Did not make changes into had not made any mistake. Next, Ali said to her, you were wasting your time here. Ali told her, reporting verb told, that conjunction. Ali told her that you were wasting. तुम वेस्ट कर रहे थे. तुम मानी कौन? her मानी she was wasting. where changes into had been. she had been wasting your time means her time. here changes into there. She had been wasting her time there. Next, he said to them, I taught her a lesson. वो क्या कहता है, मैंने उसे एक लेसन सिखाया. सिंपल बात कह रहा है, कोई स्पेसिफिक यहाँ टोन नहीं है, तो यहाँ टोल्ड यूज़ किया. ही टोल्ड देम. कंजक्शन दैट. आई टोट, मैंने सिखाया मानी स्पीकर ने सिखाया. स्पीकर ही है मानी ही. टॉट सिंपल पास्ट टेंस है, परफेक्ट पास्ट करेंगे. हैड टॉट, ही हैड टॉट. हर अ लेसन, हर यहाँ थर्ड पर्सन है, ही हैड टॉट हर अ लेसन, थर्ड पर्सन में कोई चेंजेस नहीं होता है, हर डजंट चेंज। नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, I said to him, my parents left for Makkah yesterday. I told him that, reporting verb, that conjunction, my parents मानी स्पीकर के पेरेंट्स, स्पीकर यहाँ माई सेल्फ ही है, जो स्पीकर है वही नरेटर है, तो नरेटर जिसे कहेगा तो क्या कहेंगे, माई पेरेंट्स ओनली, माई पेरेंट्स। लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट सिंपल पास्ट टेंस है बच्चों, उससे परफेक्ट पास्ट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, हैड लेफ्ट, माई पेरेंट्स हैड लेफ्ट फॉर मक्का यस्टरडे चेंजेस इनटू द प्रीवियस डे, द प्रीवियस डे। He said to Richard, you did not do well. He said to Richard, you did not do well. Said to, स्पीकर है इसलिए told में हम चेंज करेंगे, कंजक्शन दोनों पार्ट को यहाँ कनेक्ट करने के लिए that। ये चेंजेस करने ही करने हैं बच्चों, अल्टीमेटली जब इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में कन्वर्ट करते हो तो ये 5 चेंजेस आप ध्यान में रखो, और जैसे प्रैक्टिस होगी देन ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल कम ऑन योर टिप ऑफ टंग। He told Richard that you did not do well means you किसके लिए है, रिचार्ड के लिए, आपने ठीक काम नहीं किया, मानी रिचार्ड ने, रिचार्ड के लिए हम क्या प्रोनाउन यूज करते हैं, ही। डिड नॉट डू, डिड नॉट, डिड सिंपल पास्ट है, परफेक्ट पास्ट, हैड नॉट डन वेल, ही हैड नॉट डन वेल। आई सेड आई हेल्प्ड हिम अ लॉट, I said that I had helped him a lot। देखिए यहाँ पे said है, remain the same only, said है तो said ही रहा, told नहीं यूज़ किया क्योंकि यहाँ listener नहीं है, सुनने वाला कोई नहीं है, कंजक्शन यूज ऑलरेडी किया है that, और अदर चेंजेस helped सिंपल पास्ट है उसे परफेक्ट पास्ट में चेंज कर दिया गया है, इट्स चेंज्ड इनटू परफेक्ट पास्ट। सेकेंड सेंटेंस, He said to him, I was reading the Holy Quran। मैं कुरान पढ़ रहा था। He told him that he had been reading the Holy Quran। यहाँ पे फिर से यहाँ देखिए स्पीकर भी है, लिसनर भी है, दोनों है, इसलिए said to converted into told, और दोनों स्पीच को कनेक्ट करने के लिए that है। I was reading मानी स्पीकर रीड कर रहे थे, स्पीकर कौन है यहाँ पे, he मानी इसीलिए यहाँ पे he। was reading continuous past tense, had been reading, was changes into had been reading the Holy Quran। next example, he said I was deceived by him। he said यहाँ कोई listener नहीं है, said remains said only। he said conjunction that, I was deceived, I मानी कौन deceive किए गए, he speaker, तो he was changed into had been by him, him थर्ड पर्सन है, चेंज नहीं हुआ है, देखिए him थर्ड पर्सन है, इट्स नॉट चेंज्ड हियर। नेक्स्ट, he said to me you made me laugh। यहाँ स्पीकर दिया लिसनर है, मानी said to told हो जाएगा। he told me that कंजक्शन, you made me laugh, you मानी यहाँ पे मुझे कह रहे हैं, I am the listener मानी I had made सिंपल पास्ट है, had made परफेक्ट पास है, I had made him laugh। I said to him I don't understand you। I said to him I don't understand you। मैंने उसे बताया मैं तुम्हें समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ, मीन्स I told him that I hadn't understand him। You said I left this party on principles। You said that, देखिए said चेंज नहीं किया है क्योंकि लिसनर नहीं है। You said that I left this party means you had left that party, क्योंकि आप बोलने वाले हो तो आपने पार्टी छोड़ा था। You had left that party on principles। I said him you didn't consider this option। I told him that you means speaker, और सॉरी लिसनर यहाँ पे him मानी ही है। He had not considered that option। He had not considered that option। I said I helped him a lot। I said that I had helped him a lot. Simple past into perfect past. यहाँ और एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. द पोलिसमैन सेड टू द जज, ऑनरेबल सर, वी हैव बीन इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग दिस इश्यू. ऑनरेबल सर, देखिए रिस्पेक्ट दिखाया गया है. द पोलिसमैन इन्फॉर्म, और यहाँ देखिए टोल्ड नहीं यूज़ किया गया है, स्पेसिफिक यहाँ टॉन रखा है, मीन्स इन्फॉर्मेशन का यहाँ पे इरादा है स्पीकर का. द पोलिसमैन इन्फॉर्म द जज विथ ग्रेट रिस्पेक्ट. देखिए ऐसे फ्रेजेस हमें ऐड करने हैं टू मेक द डायलॉग नरेशन वेरी इफेक्टिव. दैट इज द कंजक्शन. क्या? वी हैव बीन इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग गेटिंग दिस इश्यू. वी मीन्स हु? पोलिसमैन एंड इट्स टीम मीन्स दे. They had been investigating that issue. Second example, she said to him, it has been many days since I have listened to you. She told him that it doesn't change, third person. It had been many days since I have listened to you means since she had listened to him. I said to her, your future is with you, decide carefully. I told her that she should decide carefully as her future was with her. Or I told her that her future was with her and therefore she should decide carefully. She said to me, I have been reading 2 English novels these days. She told me that I have been reading means she had been reading 2 English novels those days. These days into those days. हम एक राइट करेक्ट ऑप्शन चूज करेंगे. द स्टूडेंट सेड वी वांट टू बाय अ न्यू वीडियो. There are 2 sentences before you. The student said that they wanted to buy a new video game, or the student said that we wanted to buy a new video game. According to you, which is the correct? Indirect speech. The student said that we means who? They. So they will be we will be replaced by they. So this is the right option. The student said that they wanted to buy a new video game. That's the right option. The lion said, I am the king of all forest. The lion said that he was the king of all forest. The lion said that I am the king of all forest. The right answer is the first option. The lion said that he was the king of, because I changes into he. He was. तो first option यहाँ पे correct है. He was the king of all forest. My younger sister said I want to study in your school. 2 options. My younger sister said that she wanted to study in my school, or my younger sister said that she wants to study in my school. Which one is correct answer? Obviously the first answer is correct. How? Because here wanted, see the change in tense, here wants simple present tense ही रखा गया है. So the first answer is right. My younger sister said that she wanted to study, not she wants to study. I said to them, my father is coming to talk with you today. I told them that my father was coming to talk with them that day, or I told them that my father had been coming to talk with that day. यहाँ पे हम बिल्कुल was coming के साथ जाएंगे. is coming changes into was coming, not had been coming. tense perfect last में यूज़ नहीं किया गया, 2 steps आगे चला गया है. So that's the correct answer. I told them that my father was coming to talk with them that day. He said to me, the manager has died today. 3 options दिए हैं. He told me that the manager has died that day. He told me that the manager had died that day. And he said to me that the manager died that day. What is the correct answer? Decide. Has died. देखिए changed should be changed into had died. So the second option is correct. Middle. I said I am feeling very sorry for you for your loss. I said that I was feeling very sorry for your loss. I told that I had been feeling very sorry for your loss, or I said that I felt very sorry for your loss. It's the first. I was feeling, am feeling, I was feeling sorry, I was feeling. So the first option is the correct. I was feeling very sorry for your loss. They said we do not want to sit in this semester. They said that we do not wanted to sit in this semester. They said that they did not want to sit in that semester. They said we did not want to sit in the semester. तो यहाँ राइट आंसर क्या आएगा? They said that पहले कंजक्शन मानी लास्ट वाला तो निकल ही जाएगा. We do not change into did not want to sit in that semester, this semester into that, and that's why the second option जो middle option है that is the correct answer. They said the news of his death shook us. They said that the news of his death shook them. They said that the news of his death had shaken them. They said that the news of his death have shaken. शुक सिंपल पास्ट है, सॉरी सिंपल पास्ट टेंस है, हम उसे परफेक्ट पास्ट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो शुक चेंजेस इनटू हैड शेकन एंड दैट्स व्हाई सेकंड ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. दैट्स इट फॉर दिस सेशन. थैंक यू.